Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will show you how to use the AutoBlog Iframe Extension plugin when you wish to create posts manually. So in the previous video, tutorial video of this plugin, I showed you how to use other auto-blogging plugins automatically with this plugin. Now I will show you how to use this plugin when you wish to create manual posts for it. So I will show this also in Gutenberg and also in Classic Editor, so you can go ahead and use whichever you wish. So first of all, let's configure the plugin. I already done this. I set the location URL of the shortcode which will display the iframe. And if you wish to check this, you should check the other configuration tutorial video for this plugin. So in this one, I will show only how to use manually created posts and add iframes to them. So I already configured the plugin. Now let's go ahead and add posts. So we go to Gutenberg and add new, and we will need to add a custom field which will hold our URL, which will be added to the post in the iframe source. So for this, in Gutenberg, if you don't see custom fields on the bottom of the post editor, click options. I move myself out of the way, so click this three dots, options, and afterwards scroll down in this menu that appeared and click custom fields. Click enable and reload, and now you will be able to see also the custom fields menu. Now let's add a title, some content, and now we can go to plugin settings, and here we will see that the custom field name must be iframe_post_URL. So to add this custom field name, click enter new button, paste the iframe_post_URL in the name, and in the value let's use my website, or even better, a blog post from my website. So if we go to my blog and use this blog post URL, for example, and go back here and paste it inside the value. Don't forget to click also add custom field button, and if you click that, the custom field will appear, and all you have to do is click publish. After you hit publish, go to the site, and if you click on the title of the post from the main page of your blog, the post will not open, but instead this will open, which will contain directly the linked website. So as you can see, the iframe that it opened contains directly the source URL that I used in settings here. Now let me show you how to do this for the Classic Editor also. I already have this opened. For the Classic Editor, you also have to scroll down, and if you don't find it, click on screen options and simply check the custom fields checkbox. So if you check this, the custom fields will appear, and the process is similar on how to add the custom field from here on. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this is how you can create an iframe that will hold the content of the original website manually. So go ahead and apply it if you wish, and until next time, so this is all. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and have a great day. Bye bye.